got sporks to eat with.
They are spoons, actually.
Hey everybody, we've got some bloopers at the front from another video that should be coming out eventually, but this week I'm going to go over all of the gear we're planning on bringing on the PCT. Should be a quick overview, so ask any questions in the comments if you have them. We're also planning on a video showcasing some of our new gear and a video about some of our luxury items and why we carry the amount of weight that we do coming out eventually as well. For my gear, I have a backpack and pack liner, sleeping pad, sleeping bag, tarp and guy lines, shotgun microphone, 5 1-liter water bottles, tent poles and tent stakes, Sawyer squeeze water filter, first aid kit, pot, fuel, collapsible cup and long-handled spoon, pot cozies, towel, lighter and stove, spot device, a cat hole shovel, food bag, a ditty bag with my headlamp, sunglasses, headphones, spare batteries, passport wallet, and hot pockets, rain pants, rain jacket, and a puffy jacket, sit pad, mini gloves, buff, toque, and ball cap, our electronics bag with a 10,000 and 20,000 milliamp hour battery packs with charging cords for the battery packs, phones, and watches. I got spare clothes and night clothes, including sleeping socks, spare socks and underwear, smart wool long sleeve, icebreaker long johns, and for day wear I have a Columbia short sleeve button-up shirt, Columbia hiking pants, merino wool socks, and Sax underwear. I also have trekking poles, Ultra Lone Peak 5s for day footwear, and sandals for camp shoes. With all this gear in my pack, it ends up weighing 20.8 pounds. For Sierra specific gear, I have micro spikes, a bear canister, and an ice axe. My pack weight with the Sierra gear is 25.6 pounds. So for Rosalind's gear, she has a backpack and pack liner, sleeping pad, sleeping bag, 5 1-liter water bottles, a sit pad, lightweight sandals for camp shoes, her knee brace, a ditty bag with headphones, hair elastics, a passport and wallet, headlamp, sunglasses, hot pockets, emergency blanket, tape, spare batteries, hairbrush, and lip balm, toiletry bag and toothbrush bag, a long-handled spoon, collapsible cup, the Garmin InReach, sunscreen, Sawyer squeeze water filter, trekking poles, small towel, food bag, rain pants, rain jacket and puffy, toque, buff, mini gloves, and sun gloves. She's wearing Ultra Lone Peak 5s for footwear and has spare underwear, spare socks, an icebreaker top, smart wool tights, and a mid-layer long sleeve. For day wear, Rosalind has a long sleeve Columbia shirt, Under Armour tights, merino wool socks, sports bra, underwear, and a sun hat. All of Rosalind's regular gear weighs 16.5 pounds. Rosalind has the same Sierra gear that I do for her microspikes, bear can, and ice axe, which brings her pack weight up to 20.1 pounds in this Sierra. Since we share gear, our average base weight is 18.7 pounds for regular gear and 22.9 pounds with Sierra gear. We end up sharing the food as well, with Rosalind taking the majority of the food, so our backpacks do end up weighing about the same. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions. Stay safe and have a good week.